Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is negotiate. It is pronounced ne-go-she-ate, and it is spelt N-E-G-O-T-I-A-T-E. Negotiate means to discuss and try to come to an agreement with someone, especially in order to make a deal or settle a dispute. It's a fancy way of saying to talk things through and come to a mutual understanding. For example, you could say, I am going to negotiate a better price for the new computer. Or you could say, the company has to negotiate with the union for a new contract. Or you could also say, he negotiated a peace treaty between the two countries. Did you know that the word negotiate comes from the Latin word negotium, which means business? So when you negotiate, you're essentially doing a form of business. Here are some synonyms for the word negotiate: bargain, discuss, haggle, mediate, and a synonym that is a phrase, I suppose, that is very similar to the word negotiate, is to talk things through. And some antonyms for negotiate are ignore, refuse, reject, and avoid. It's important to remember that negotiation is a key part of life, whether it's asking for something that you need, making a deal, or even trying to decide where to eat dinner with your family or where to go with your friends. So you can practice using the word negotiate. There's another good word that often goes with the word negotiate, and that is the word compromise. When you compromise, you give a little bit of ground. You are prepared to adjust your original position in order to be able to reach a deal that all parties are satisfied with. Okay, everybody, thank you very much. You can now go and impress your friends and family by using your new word today, negotiate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.